Jones Heavy Equipment.
Oh, thank God you've answered. Who is this?
This is Bob.
Bob, I rented one of your bulldozers. I'm on it right now, and it's out of control. Holy crap. I just plowed into a Buick. How do I turn this thing off? Holy gee, I just ran into another car. I was plowing a lot in my residential neighborhood, and it's gone completely out of control.
Sir.
What? Holy... I just ran over somebody's gazebo.
Sir, which model is it? Which model bulldozer?
It was a Caterpillar.
Yeah?
D6. D6. And it's out of control. Hold on a sec. I'm crashing through somebody's house. All I can say is thank God I had a cell phone with me. Okay. I'm out on the street now.
Turn off the ignition.
What?
Turn off the ignition. It's right there on the dash.
I tried. The key snapped off in the ignition. It's all bent up. It won't shut off. Holy... shit. Oh, I'm here. I just hit another car.
Sir, there's a kill switch in it on your left.
I'm trying.
Hit the kill switch.
Hello?
Sir, hit the kill switch.
I'm trying. Nothing is happening. Nothing. I just ran over another tool shed. There are some Girl Scouts selling cookies up ahead.
No.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Are they okay? Did you hit them?
No, I ran over their stand. I crushed their lemonade and cookie stand like a bug, but they're okay. I see them behind me. Okay, how do I turn this thing off?
There should be a kill switch right on the left. Just push the button in.
What, right here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I got it. Tractor's off.
Sir, what is your name?
My name is Milton Fludgecow. I rented this yesterday to do a small plowing job in my yard, and now it's turned into my worst nightmare. What kind of defective equipment are you people renting?
Defective equipment?
Yes,
You shouldn't even be operating that.
You schmucks rented me defective equipment. I'm going to file a report, and I'm going to sue your ass off. It's going to be Fludgecow's bulldozer rental by the time I get through with you.
I'm calling the cops on you right now. Goodbye.